submarine warning. As soon as I get in the door. As soon as I get in the door.
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to Northeast Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 8:15 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., the Gust front was located along the line extending from near Delaware Grace to Hartman Miller Island to near Naval Academy, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated and observed wind. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Narrows Bridge, North Point State Park, Manistee River, Eastern Bay, Dobbins Island, Pools Island, Herring Bay, Sandy Point State Park, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, and Bonkin Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official national